हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम करेंगे रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी का प्रॉब्लम। प्रीति reached the metro station and found that the escalator was not working. She walked up the station escalator in time t1. On other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes her up in time t2. The time taken by her to walk up the moving escalator will be, ये हमें निकालना है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे लेट सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन हम कैसे किस तरह से कर सकते हैं, अब देखिए। सबसे पहले लिखेंगे लेट वी वन लेट वी वन इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रीति on stationary escalator and is the distance traveled by her, and d is the distance traveled by her ठीक है। तो हमने v1 लिखा, देयरफॉर v1 इजकल टू क्या होगा, v1 इजकल टू डी बाई टी वन, राइट। और हम देखेंगे अगेन let v2 is the velocity, velocity of escalator. Therefore, v2 is equal to d by t2. v2 equal to d by t2. अभी हम लिखा है नेट वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रीति ऑन मूविंग एस्केलेटर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द ग्राउंड। देयरफॉर नेट वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रीति on moving escalator with respect to the ground is equal to v1 plus v2, ठीक है। therefore the time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be t is equal to d by v. That we are getting the value. It is d. In terms of velocity, we are getting the value. We have to find the value v1 plus v2. v means v1 plus v2, right? What are you getting? You get d. And what is the value of v1 plus v2? That is d into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. This is the relation. So you are getting the value d t1 t2 divided by d into t1 plus t2. So this cancel, it will be equal to t1 t2 divided by t1 plus t2. And here you can see the option is option number B. and so B is our answer. Thank you everybody for watching this video.